Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's episode of the Wellness and Fitness Hacks podcast. I'm your co host, Sarah, and I'm thrilled to be here today with someone who lives and breathes fitness, our very own fitness freak. If you've been searching for simple but powerful ways to improve your wellness and fitness, you're in the right place. Today, we'll be talking about three fantastic topics: morning routines to boost energy, time saving workouts, and nutrition hacks that will keep you feeling great without overhauling your entire life. So, let's dive right in.
Thanks, Sarah. I'm excited to be here and share some easy tips that anyone can incorporate into their daily lives to feel healthier and more energized.
Let's start with the basics. Why is it important to have a morning routine in the first place?
Great question, Sarah. A morning routine sets the tone for your entire day. It helps you start with intention, boosts your energy levels, and reduces stress. When you incorporate wellness practices like hydration, sunlight, and movement, you're essentially preparing your body and mind to perform at their best, which leads to a more productive and positive day.
You mentioned hydration first thing in the morning. What's the science behind drinking water right after waking up?
Well, after 6 to 8 hours of sleep, your body becomes dehydrated. Drinking water first thing in the morning helps rehydrate your system, flush out toxins, and jumpstart your metabolism. Adding a slice of lemon gives you an extra boost of vitamin C and aids digestion. It's a small habit with big benefits.
I've heard that sunlight exposure is crucial in the morning. Can you explain why that is?
Absolutely. Morning sunlight triggers the production of serotonin, which boosts your mood and helps regulate your body's internal clock, also known as the circadian rhythm. This helps you stay alert during the day and sleep better at night. Just 10 to 15 minutes of sunlight in the morning can make a huge difference.
Now let's talk workouts. Not everyone has hours to spend at the gym. What are some time-saving workout strategies that actually work?
One of the best strategies is high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. It's super efficient because it combines short bursts of intense exercise with rest periods. In as little as 20 minutes, you can burn fat, improve cardiovascular health, and build strength. You don't need equipment, and it can be done anywhere. Perfect for a busy schedule.
HIIT sounds intense. Can beginners do HIIT, or do you need to be in shape first?
Definitely, beginners can do HIIT. The beauty of HIIT is that you can modify the exercises based on your fitness level. For instance, instead of sprinting, a beginner could do fast walking. The key is to push yourself within your limits, and over time, you'll build endurance and strength.
Speaking of quick workouts, I've heard about Tabata. How is that different from HIIT?
Great question. Tabata is actually a type of HIIT, but it follows a strict 20 seconds of all-out effort, followed by 10 seconds of rest, repeated for 8 rounds. So in just 4 minutes, you get a super intense workout. It's great if you're really short on time, but still want to get your heart rate up.
Switching gears to nutrition. What's the benefit of meal prepping, especially for those of us who have busy weeks?
Meal prepping is a lifesaver. When you prepare meals in advance, you take control of your nutrition. It helps you avoid unhealthy choices because your meals are already ready and packed with nutritious ingredients. You save time, reduce stress, and ensure you're eating balanced meals throughout the week.
I've been hearing a lot about intermittent fasting. Is it really that effective for health and fitness?
Yes, intermittent fasting, IF, can be very effective, especially for fat loss and improving metabolic health. By eating within a specific time window, like the 16-8 method, you allow your body to burn fat during the fasting period. It's not so much about what you eat, but when you eat. But remember, it's important to listen to your body and see if IF suits your lifestyle.
Smoothies seem like a great way to stay healthy. Do you have any favorite smoothie recipes for people on the go?
Absolutely. Smoothies are perfect for busy people because they're quick, easy, and nutrient-packed. One of my favorites is a superfood smoothie with spinach, berries, chia seeds, protein powder, and almond milk. It's loaded with antioxidants, fiber, and protein to keep you full and energized throughout the day.
Last question. What's one wellness hack that you think is underrated but incredibly effective?
Breathwork. It's simple but incredibly powerful. Even just 5 minutes of deep breathing exercises can reduce stress, improve focus, and enhance your mood. Whether it's box breathing or the 4-7-8 method, breathwork is a great way to center yourself, and it's something you can do anywhere, anytime.
Wow, thank you so much, Fitness Freak. These tips are super helpful and easy to implement. I'm definitely going to start making some changes to my morning routine and try out that smoothie recipe.
Glad to hear it, Sarah. Remember, wellness doesn't have to be complicated. Small changes make a big difference over time.